Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh. I hope you're doing great. Today we are diving into a website called ChatWriters. If you're considering it, you might be wondering if it's legit and if you can actually make money. They claim to pay up to 20 cent euros per message. Now let's find out if it's worth your time or if there are any other better opportunities out there. And guys, if you are really interested in my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home, then I request you to please click the first link in the description. And if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. On this channel, I've reviewed various ways to make money online. Some are great and others are complete waste of time. Now, let's see how ChatWriters stacks up against other options. ChatWriters is a platform that focuses on the British market, specifically for UK residents. But stay tuned, I'll also mention another platform for worldwide users. So please stick to this video till the end. Here, ChatWriters involves answering flirty messages anonymously, creating a fun way to earn extra money from home. They pay around 17 pip for each message, and payouts happen weekly directly to your bank account. To get started, you need to be at least 18 years old and complete a brief training course. Keep in mind, this is not a dating website. It's all about anonymous chat on a fantasy network. You won't reveal your real identity, make it a unique and secure way to make money online. If you are in the UK and interested, you can sign up on their website. They'll ask for some information and verify your age through your passport or UK driver's license. ChatWriters operates 24/7, allowing flexibility in your working hours. Part-time or full-time, it's up to you. However, it's essential to note that this might not be a full-time career option for everyone. Now, let's discuss what you should expect from this gig. You need to be fluent in English, comfortable with role-playing and engaging in flirty and cheeky conversions. It's all about creating an enjoyable experience for users on the fantasy network. Now, let's address the burning question: how much can you make as a chat writer? While they claim to pay around 20 cents euro per message, estimating your income is very challenging. It depends on factors like quantity and quality of your messages, client engagement, and the hours you put in. Similar platforms like Remotely for You offer comparable opportunities. On average, people working part-time around 4 to 8 hours a day can earn between $100 to $300 per week. If you're considering this for part-time income, it could be a decent option. However, relying on it as a full-time income might not be realistic for most. It's a great side hustle if you're open to role-playing, enjoying flexible hours, and want to work from anywhere in the UK. Summing it up, ChatWriters could be a cool part-time job, especially if you are looking for remote work and don't mind engaging in playful, flirty conversations on a fantasy network. However, if you're not in the UK, you might want to check out platforms like Remotely for You, as I already mentioned, that accept chat operators globally. But remember, you won't get rich with this, as it's more of a supplementary income option. Before you decide, consider the industry average for similar roles, ranging from $100 to $300 per week for part-time hours. Full-time hours may bring in around $300 per week, translating to $1,500 per month. While it's not a huge income, it might suit those looking for a flexible side hustle. At last, I would like to conclude saying, if you're okay with the role, enjoy chatting, and want to earn extra income, ChatWriters could be a good fit. However, for those seeking higher earnings or a more sustainable online business, check out my favorite strategy by clicking the link below in the description. Just imagine, guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just by creating these kinds of systems, as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And also, guys, as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free, right? So as you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs. The first one is called Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping individuals to start their affiliate marketing journey. And finally, they'll come to learn how to make their first $1,000 as an affiliate with this program. The second one is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This program would be helping them to grow on YouTube, as well as with the combination of affiliate marketing, they'll even earn more money from that. And the third program is the Stash Show method. This is for those individuals who would like to start their own dietary supplement business from comfort of their home. There are no inventory or product required for this kind of strategy. So if you're really interested, you can have a look. And guys, dietary supplement business would be rocking in the future, so don't miss this program for sure. And the last program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients, and this is for those individuals who like to start their own agency or doing any freelance work. So I would like to give away this complete bundle absolutely for free. So to get access to this complete bundle, I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the complete 2 hours presentation. This would be giving you a clear short idea on how these systems would be working. Or else you can visit the URL as you can see on the screen. Okay, click on join now. You will be joined directly into our community. And please make a note, all these 4 programs are not live yet. As you can see, there are only 12 members into our community. We are looking for 100 members to join and like to give away these 4 programs for free to those 100 members. So as soon as possible, join my community, get access and be the lucky one from those 100 members. And please make a note, we are going to release these programs once we reach 100 members count in our community. And guys, if you really like this video, I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification. And also, it would be motivating me to create new content for you. And there you have it. I hope the review helps you make an informed decision about ChatWriters and also with the bonus we have offered. If you are interested in more money making strategies, stay tuned for future reviews. Take care and see you in the next video. Have a